Hello and welcome everyone to the Commodity Report for the 25th of May 2022, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So currently we have the US dollar index breaking all the way down to 1 month lows. With that, we have seen a slingshot move higher here for gold, for silver, for copper, for platinum, alongside crude oil and also natural gas. So natural gas has been the absolute star here so far over May, breaking out 32% to the upside. In fact, so far in 2022, natural gas prices, they're up 157%. Now, over this month, we've seen gasoline prices, they've risen 17%. Crude oil prices, they're currently up 12%. And now today, we have gold prices, they're trading back at 2-week highs. We have silver prices trading at 3-week highs, and also copper prices trading back towards their 1 month highs. As we continue to see this V-shaped recovery off the recent lows that we discussed with you last week to anticipate this once we get towards the final week of May. So we've capitalized on this by building into positions at the lows over the last week here. In fact, at the beginning of the week with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, so far we've banked 650 points profit. So for that calculation, every 1 lot contract that you'll be trading, that's $6,500 of profit. For every 10 lot contract that you'll be trading, that's $65,000 of profit. So currently gold is trading at $1,865 per ounce. Just 1 week ago, gold prices, they broke down to $1,785 per ounce. So essentially, we've seen an 800-point rally to the upside in 1 single week. With that, we've also seen silver prices, they have gained over 3% to the upside, and copper prices as well, which we talked you through again on the week ahead commodity report. The opportunity there as you've got China coming back from their 2-month-long lockdown, which will get eased from the 1st of June onwards. Copper prices, they're now getting a bid. We're seeing a recovery to the upside, up over 3% so far this week, again trading back towards 1 month highs. So with that, we've seen more of a risk-on environment over this week. The US dollar is essentially getting hammered, breaking back down to 1 month lows. And this is providing that opportunity for many commodities priced in dollars to essentially rally off the recent lows, yet again, giving you plenty of time and opportunities to stack in low, build out those positions, accumulate at key areas of liquidity, and now take advantage of the slingshot move higher that we are seeing on many of these commodities. As we discussed with you previously, commodities, they don't move up in a straight line, they're going to zigzag, and this is going to provide you with regular opportunities as a trader to sniper in low and then capitalize on these impulse moves to the upside, bank into strength, locking in the profits at the top of the cycle, and yet again capitalizing on the selling pressure that we commonly get throughout the month and throughout the quarter in order to maximize the current commodity super cycle. So with that, what else do you need to look out for over the course of this week? So the next major news item that we have coming up this week on the calendar is Wednesday's minutes from the FOMC statement. So that typically provides more volatility in the market. Yet again, we've taken the opportunity at the beginning of the week to bank into strength, to scale out of some profits after we've seen an 800-point move here from the lows to the highs with gold. We've seen a nice breakout, of course, over the last few days here with copper. So again, what I would look to do in the lead up to the minutes of the FOMC is lock in further profits, because I can't rule out the potential again for some volatility, which could create opportunities to yet again build out further trades at lower prices if we do get any selling pressure off the back of the FOMC minutes. Remember, this is also getting towards now the end of the month. So what we could see is end of month profit taking, end of month outflows before we then see fresh capital come back into the market next week as we move into the month of June, which also leads us into the summer driving season where energy prices typically pick up momentum with increased demand. That's something to keep on the radar once we transition into the month of June, especially with gasoline prices breaking out to all-time highs just last week. Natural gas prices, they're broken out to all-time highs this week, and we also have crude oil prices trading back at 1 month highs. Again, if you're not making money in this market right now, you absolutely should be. The only reasons I can think that you're not making money right now with commodities is either you lack experience or you're using technical analysis, which, as you know, gives you zero edge. If you only use technical analysis or outdated technical indicators, you're just going to get chopped up all the time in these markets. It ends up being death by 1,000 cuts, and essentially you're not going to make any money. And we definitely don't want that for you. We want to make sure that you are also maximizing this commodity super cycle. That's where you want to be utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence, learning the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly cycles for each commodity. Alongside that, the key areas of liquidity, the capital flows in the market, the intermarket correlations, the ratios, and of course understanding the fundamentals, the macroeconomics, the geopolitics, and of course how the hedge funds, money managers, banks and institutions are positioned in the market. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.